Hi, I'm Janani, CEO of TGD Shopping. Okay, let's quickly check if our barcode printer is working properly. Let me adjust this, set the settings correctly. Okay, it's showing an error. No worries, I'll check with the customer service. Alright, let's try the invoice label instead. Yes, it's working perfectly. Come, let me show you how we pack your orders. First, we place the product carefully into the bubble wrap so it stays safe during shipping. For the eyeshadow palette, I use the same size bubble wrap and secure neat. Now, this is my one of the favorite part. We have this beautiful green postcard pouch. Inside, I'm adding your thank you card and visiting card. And look, your little but important freebies. Two eyeshadow bands, two lip scrub bands, and two cute hairbands. Comment below and tell me how cute this is. Now, we seal everything with this round gold sticker. It matches our brand colors perfectly. So premium, right? This way, your outer package is safe, secure, and reaches you just the way it should. So, why wait? Go ahead and grab yours. And if you have any feedback or